If you have a water heater at home, you know how essential it is to your daily routine. However, like any other appliance, water heaters are prone to malfunctions and may require repairing at some point. In this video, we'll provide an introduction to water heater repair, including who to call and when to call them. Before calling a professional for water heater repairs, it is necessary to be able to identify common problems. These include rust-colored water, strange noises, foul odor, insufficient hot water, and leaks. If you encounter any of these, it is recommended to call a reliable plumber for investigation and possible repair. In some instances, you may be able to fix your water heater yourself without professional help. However, it is essential to know that this can be dangerous and may cause more harm than good. For minor repairs, such as adjusting the thermostat or resetting the circuit breaker, it is safe to tackle them yourself. But for more complicated repairs, it is highly recommended to leave it to a professional. When it comes to water heater repairs, it is essential to choose a reliable and skilled professional. Look for licensed and certified plumbers with experience in water heater repair. Check online reviews and ratings to help you make an informed decision. Always remember that the safety of your family and home should be top priority.